everyone, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee. So I've got this Pavoni lever machine here. It came in because of a heating issue. I found that the reset switch was activated, so I fixed that, and I ended up actually having to replace the pressure stat because I noticed it kept overheating. You can see here with the pressure gauge. So I replaced this pressure stat that's just underneath the boiler here, and then I gave the machine a full tune-up. So, the sight glass, here you can see I replaced this along with the glass itself and the gaskets. I replaced the gaskets on the boiler cap and all here within the group head, and also behind it because it was actually leaking. You can see some of those gaskets here. So this is what they look like. I deep cleaned the group head, deep cleaned the screen, and I deep cleaned the portafilter itself. So I just took it apart and let it soak in some cleaner, cleaned the steam wand, and just wiped down the whole machine and scrubbed it as best as I could. There is some discoloration along the boiler, but that's not something that we fix here in the shop. So I'm just going to pull a shot with our test coffee. Just 1 second. Now that the machine is fully up to pressure, I'm just going to start that shot. And this is just our test coffee, so it's not perfectly calibrated to this machine. But there you can see we still get a pretty nice shot of espresso with nice crema along the top. And then I'll show you the steam. As you can see, we've got nice strong steam. Alright, that's about it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.